Hello and welcome to this Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial what we're going to do is make the city look as if it's in a different part of the day. We're going to add a sunset scene to it. So what we need to do is double click this layer and unlock the layer. So first of all we need to replace this sky with some form of sunset. So what we need to do is remove the blue. There are several ways of doing this, but we're going to do a very quick and easy way, and we're going to use the magic eraser tool. This is quite a blunt instrument and isn't really the best tool to use in a lot of scenarios, but will work well for this one. If you want to see better selection tools, then view some of my other tutorials. What we're going to do is click all of the blue using the magic eraser. I'm going to zoom in on the lamppost here and just remove some of these, and that will just about do it, I think. And you can see now we've got our city with no sky at all. So in another tab I have got a sunset scene ready. I'm going to click and drag this up into my new one and let go, place it on the scene where I'd like it, and then obviously I now need to switch these two layers round. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this layer here, drag it below this one, and there we have it. Now the problem that we've got is that this image doesn't really look like it's in sunset because of the colour of the building. So what we can do is we can add a photo filter to this to make it look a little more realistic. So the way that you do that is click on Image, Adjustments, and you're going to go down to Photo Filter. What you'll have is this little box will appear, and we want a warming filter set to it, and you'll see as you adjust the density of that filter the building does change, and we can set this to around about where you're happy with it. I'm sort of happy with it around about 51%, and you can see now it's starting to look a little more realistic. So it might be different on your screens, but around about sort of 53% is about fine. You hit OK. There's two more adjustments that we're going to do to this, and we're going to adjust the shadows and the highlights. So again, Image, Adjustments, you go down to Shadows and Highlights, and then you'll get this next menu appear. What you want to do really is reduce the shadows down and a bit of play with the highlights again until you're happy with it. Hit OK, and there we have it. We have our scene change from middle of the day to sunset. I hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you for watching this Photoshop tutorial.